Today, we're cracking open NVIDIA's latest moves to uncover 5 stocks primed for explosive growth, including one they just abandoned. That's a steal right now. While Wall Street's elite whisper behind closed doors, there's a legal way to peek at their playbook, and it's hiding in plain sight. 13 F filings. These secret sauce documents reveal where giants like NVIDIA are dumping millions and why you should care. So, buckle up as we explore these stocks and explain exactly why they're positioned to benefit from the fast-evolving AI ecosystem. But first, what is a 13F form? Every quarter, large institutional investors and tech giants file a form known as the 13F with the Securities and Exchange Commission. This report lists all their stock holdings and provides a rare glimpse into where these money managers are putting their money. NVIDIA, in particular, has used these filings to craft a strategy, investing in, and sometimes exiting, companies that help build the AI ecosystem around its core technologies. It's like getting a backstage pass to the tech revolution, and today, we're using that pass to highlight 5 stocks that are poised for growth. Now, for our first pick is Serve Robotics. Known as a leader in the autonomous delivery robot market, Serve Robotics has been transforming the way goods reach your door. Originally born from an innovative spin-off of a major ride-hailing company, Serve has established robust partnerships with giants like Uber Eats and 7-Eleven. Recently, NVIDIA trimmed its stake in Serve Robotics, an exit that many view as a temporary dip rather than a signal of trouble. What makes Serve Robotics so exciting? It's not just about delivering food. The company is pioneering autonomous navigation technology that could extend into new revenue streams. With contracts already in place and a strong foothold in the burgeoning market for last-mile logistics, Serve Robotics is positioned to capture significant value as cities and businesses embrace automation. In short, while NVIDIA is rebalancing its portfolio, savvy investors might see an opportunity to jump in before the next phase of growth. Next up is SoundHound, a company at the forefront of conversational AI. SoundHound's technology isn't just about voice recognition. It's about creating intuitive, human-like interactions for businesses. Imagine ordering food at a drive-thru or controlling devices with a natural conversation. That's the future SoundHound is building. The company has already seen remarkable gains, driven by rapid adoption in the automotive and retail sectors. Its proprietary voice assistant platform, available in 25 languages, is designed to integrate seamlessly with everything from smart cars to drive-through kiosks. In an era where user experience and convenience are king, SoundHound's potential to capture a significant slice of a market estimated at over $3.9 billion makes it one of our most exciting picks. Even though NVIDIA recently trimmed its exposure, that dip might be your entry point into a company that's revolutionizing how we interact with technology. Our third pick is Applied Digital, a key player in the data center and cloud infrastructure space. As the digital world shifts from cryptocurrency mining to AI and high-performance computing, Applied Digital is perfectly positioned to benefit. The company is transitioning its focus from traditional blockchain infrastructure to building state-of-the-art data centers designed for AI workloads. Although its current margins are tight, Applied Digital trades at an attractive valuation relative to its sales. With global demand for accelerated computing on the rise, this company is set to grow alongside the booming needs of data centers. NVIDIA's own investments underscore the importance of nurturing the infrastructure that powers AI innovation. For investors, Applied Digital represents a strategic long-term play, tapping into the next phase of digital transformation. Fourth on our list is Recursion Pharmaceuticals, a company that could change the game in drug discovery. Traditional pharmaceutical research can be slow and costly, but Recursion is harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize the process. By using AI-driven models to screen and optimize drug candidates, Recursion is cutting down on wasted time and capital, potentially bringing new therapies to market faster than ever before. The stakes are high. Big pharma companies face looming patent cliffs and steep R&D costs, and Recursion's innovative approach could provide a much-needed edge. While the company remains unprofitable and carries risks inherent in biotech, the upside potential is enormous. If even one of its drug candidates succeeds, the market impact could be transformative. NVIDIA's continued interest in this space, by maintaining a stake in Recursion, only adds to the conviction that this is a space worth watching closely. Last but not least, we have ARM Holdings. ARM's microprocessor architecture is the backbone of nearly every electronic device, from smartphones to data centers. NVIDIA once attempted to acquire the entire company, but regulatory hurdles forced a strategic partnership instead. Even after reducing its stake, NVIDIA continues continues to hold a significant position in ARM holdings. What makes ARM so compelling isn't just its pivotal role in chip design, it's the fact that its licensing model creates a recurring revenue stream and positions it as an essential partner for every major player in the semiconductor industry. As global technology continues to advance and the demand for smarter, more efficient chips grows, ARM remains a cornerstone of innovation. For investors, its stability, combined with significant long-term growth prospects, makes it a smart addition to any tech-focused portfolio. Let's recap. Serve Robotics is disrupting last-mile delivery with autonomous technology and has become an attractive opportunity after a strategic sell-off by NVIDIA. SoundHound is transforming how businesses interact with technology through advanced conversational AI, a market with explosive growth potential. Applied Digital is set to capitalize on the increasing demand for high-performance data centers, transitioning its expertise from blockchain to AI infrastructure. Recursion Pharmaceuticals is pioneering the use of AI in drug discovery, potentially slashing the time and cost to bring new drugs to market. ARM Holdings stands as a pillar in semiconductor design, continuing to drive innovation even as its strategic partner NVIDIA recalibrates its investment approach. By dissecting NVIDIA's recent 13F filings, we're able to identify not just short-term market movements, but long-term trends that signal which companies might become the next big names in tech. It's a reminder that behind every large institutional investment lies a wealth of insight for those willing to do the homework. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a like, share this video with fellow investors, and subscribe for more updates on the tech trends that are shaping our future. Hit the bell icon to never miss an insight, and let the journey to smarter investing continue.